Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. We are on block number 12 of our classic Quilty Ornaments Sew Along. So this is it, guys. We are on the last ornament of our ornaments for this year. I have had so much fun. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as well. If you haven't already gotten your pattern, definitely head over to my store and check it out. I have these from this year. I have a completely different set of ornaments from last year, both equally cute. Totally different. They are available in PDF and print format, and again, we are doing our best to ship on the daily. So if you haven't got yours yet, we're shipping them out as soon as we can so we can get them to you in time for Christmas. This would also be a really fun gift idea as well, just the pattern plus a few pieces of fabric and you've got yourself a great gift. So let's go ahead and review yesterday's ornament 11 and then we'll show you ornament number 12. So here's yesterday's ornament number 11. It was this cute little star ornament and then we added these little accents on the outside. I had suggested maybe swapping the fabric placement as well because this white area would definitely look like a Christmas ornament, especially with the little tie hanging up here on top. So it kind of looks like a little bauble ornament. But of course, I chose to do it this way. I think it also turned out really cute that way. That's one of the great things about these ornaments is they're fun, they're tiny, they're great scrap busters, and you can really do whatever you want with these and have a lot of fun. So that was ornament number 11. Let's take a look at ornament number 12. So this is ornament number 12. This is our final ornament in the series, and I wanted something that was kind of like, you know, papow that you could put at the top of your tree, and I just thought this one was so cute. It kind of looks like a starburst to me, and then later I was almost thinking of the Swiss crosses because of the cross in the middle there, but it just turned out really cute regardless. So this one actually is one of my favorites out of the entire bunch. I think it was really fun to put together. These are, again, tiny pieces, so that Mary Ellen's Best Press is going to be your friend here, as will pressing open. So this one just seemed kind of traditional to me. It looked like a tree topper, and I thought it would be perfect for the last ornament in this series. Now, since we are on the last ornament, I think we should talk about decorating because now that we have all our ornaments, we're going to want to put them somewhere. So I have this pencil tree, which you've all seen in the previous videos. I got this a couple years ago from Target. I think it might have been last year, actually. I can't remember now. I might have had to buy it especially for my ornaments for last year, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. And then I just have my Stitchy and Quilty ornaments on there, and I keep that in my sewing room because I love having a little bit of holiday cheer in here, and the lights are just soft and cozy, and it just makes it so much fun. Now, I did both, so obviously I had enough to fill up this tree. If you didn't do the Stitchy ornaments also, and you just had the Quilty, I would definitely still put them on a tree like this, add some garland. You could even add some baubles on it to kind of, you know, that match to whatever color scheme you were going with. And I think that would just be a really fun way to display these. Now, I would like to hear what you guys have done for display. So are you putting them on a tree? Because you don't even have to put them on a tree. Before I had brought my tree up from the basement, I actually had little pins put in my design board over here, and I just had them all hanging sort of all over the design board, and they were super cute just on their own. The other thing I was thinking you could do is just get one of those tiny little table topper trees. I mean, I think it would need to be at least like maybe a 3-foot one or a 2-foot one so that they weren't too close together. But then you could just have it just right there on your sewing table or on your desk and just have all the cute little ornaments on them that way. So the other thing I was thinking would be kind of fun is if you have garland on like a mantle or something, you could hang these from that garland. I think that would be super cute. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below how you are going to display these or what your ideas for displaying them are. I would love to hear what you guys are doing. This is, of course, what I've chosen to do just because it kind of fits in this corner back here. Gives me a little bit extra cozy lighting and vibe for the holiday season. So that's going to be it. This is our last ornament for the sew along this year. We have plenty of time to decorate for Christmas and just get everything nice and festive and fun. I hope you've enjoyed this series. If you have, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun that I have coming for the new year because we have a lot of fun sew alongs and quilty projects coming your way. So that's going to be it for this series. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for sewing along with me, and I will see you in the next video.